then what'll happen is then every time someone posts anything on there, then I get an email notification, and I don't care. So like, and you can talk, I don't care. So Jana's like, she's the only one here that's here right now, and so she's all like looking at me like, can I say anything? So let's look at Algebra 1 since Jana is here.
Where do I go?
Oh, okay. So first, I guess I should say this. Okay, so like if you're in the Drive,
I go to the Drive,
or your calendar or your email, it doesn't really matter.
okay.
If my computer will stop being so stinking slow.
It won't. It's an epic computer.
I'm on email.
At the top right-hand corner, you'll see the 9 little boxes
Right.
for the apps. If you click on there, then you'll see Google Classroom in there.
Okay. Step number 1 complete.
Step number 1 is complete. And then it should take you to a screen that looks
Like Algebra 1.
similar, where it's going to have all of your classes. Now, mine has a lot of classes. I'm in the middle of recording something, so you need to be quiet. Thank you. Sorry, I'm glad that it's only Team Epic that's going to be hearing this, because... So, like, I personally have made a classroom for every single grade level of my own.
Overachiever.
Because then I was able to link things in there like Symbaloo, Quizlet, the plan book, and so forth. But again, that is absolutely, that's what I did because that's what I wanted to do. So as you can see down here, Bree was awesome and made this little Team Epic Tulsa background for us. So that's the blue with the stars. So, well, I'm just going to show you, like, I've already put stuff in mine, so I'm going to show it to you. I can't show you Bree's because she took over ownership for me, so I didn't have to see all the posts that her kids were doing on there. So last week I did a 8th grade math assignment and I did a 7th grade math assignment. I'm going to show you 7th grade because 8th grade was not complete. So when you go here, it first of all shows you all of your kids and tells you whether or not they're done in there or not. So, oh, here's instructions. So here are the instructions. So I uploaded the notebook pages that we were doing for our interactive notebook. So if you're doing an interactive notebook, you would put them in here, and if you're not, then you don't. It's fine. But so I put in this, and then I also put in like what they look like when they're finished, so that the students would know what it looks like when they're done. At the very bottom, I linked Khan Academy, so that, because if the kiddo wasn't actually able to come to class, then let's say Jana could assign her 7th grader to this classroom, and then they, even if they can't come, then they have a video to watch. They watch all of these proportional videos, and then they can still do the work at home.
A proportional relationship,
as you can see, you know, once you click on it, it goes straight into it, and then over here you'll see there's like all of these.
Always going to be
there's
the
all of
same
these
thing.
videos, and there's even a practice on. There's several different practices on here. Well, it depends on the one, but there's a practice one on here, so that they can still practice on here. So they can practice on Khan, and they can do the interactive notebook. So again, it's kind of helping reinforce in multiple ways whatever concept it is that we're talking about for the week. So let me show you how to
now this is a proportional relationship. Why is that? Because
as I said,
the ratio between y and x is always the same thing. And actually, the ratio between y and x, or you could say the ratio between x and y is always the same thing. So, for exple,
PDF on there, but I didn't get everything on there for 8th grade last time, and that's my bad. I will make sure that it's all on there before class starting this next week. So all you have to do is right down here on this plus sign, you're going to create an assignment.
Over 9, which is also just 3. So you see that y over x is always going to be equal to 3.
Okay, so go back to
and so, or at least based on the data points we've just seen. So based on this, it looks like that we have a proportional relationship between y and x. So this one right over here is proportional. So given that, what's an example of relationships that are not proportional? Well, those are fairly easy to construct. So let's say we had, I'll do it with 2 different variables.
Sure.
So let's say we have
so on here
and b.
there's a couple of different
A
things.
and
First of
B.
all, you need to put your
Now let's say
title. So
when
I'm going
A
to put
is
in
1, B
week
is 3.